Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will solve this maple leaf cube. So this is another cube. So this is our maple leaf Polaris cube, and this is our second version. So this is our maple leaf cube. So in this cube we can twist our color and our piece. I mean, if we match cube like that, and we can twist our colors. So in this cube we have different kind of piece. So these are our corners, same like this normal cube. So we can see these are our corners, and this is our big piece. So these are our centers, and in this cube this is our complete center portion. But in this portion we have also these bracket type piece, and also these are our petal piece. And in this cube we have inner center. If we check in this inner side, so we have also red color. So these are our inner centers, and this is our complete outer center. So in this cube, this is our rotation. We can match piece like that, twist to each other and replace. So now I will scramble this cube, and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. Okay, so I have scrambled this cube. Now I will start to solve this cube. So our first step, we will solve our these bracket piece. For example, if I check in this inner side, so we can see we have green color. Similar in this side we have inner red color. There is blue. It's mean we will complete blue face in this side, white face in this side. Okay, so our first step, we will solve our these bracket. For example, this is our green portion. So this is green bracket, this is also green bracket. So we will place two more green bracket in this side. So we will find our bracket. So this is our another green bracket. So we match on this position, swap with this. So this is fixed. This is our last bracket. So when we find this kind of situation, so we can see we cannot place this bracket in this position. So what we will do, we will match like that, they are opposite to each other. We need this bracket in this side. So just bring it down, twist from this position. Okay, now we can see we have both in same orbit. So we just replace with this portion, bring it up, and also replace with this. So we have fixed four same color brackets. Now we can select any other side. This is our red side, so we can complete red portion. So we will find our red brackets. So this is our red bracket, we can replace with this. This is another red bracket, so we can see we cannot replace from this side. So what we will do, we will replace with this. Okay, this is done. So this is our last bracket. We need this bracket in this side. So this is same case, they are opposite to each other. So just bring this side down, twist from this front side, and we can see they are in same orbit. So we will use any extra bracket and replace with this, and we will shift this red bracket in this red portion. Okay, so this is also complete. Similar, this is yellow face. So we will place yellow piece in this side. So we can replace yellow with this blue. This yellow we will replace with this. Okay, so we will. Okay, so this is our another case. There is yellow face. If we place this face in this side, so we can replace with this. So when we find this situation, just apply 2 times down down up up, and we will change its position. Okay, now we can replace easily. So just replace with this. So this is done. We will find last bracket. So this is our last bracket, we bring in this side. Okay, so now what we will do, place this bracket in this side. So same pattern, just apply 2 times down down up up, and we will change its position. Okay, so now we can replace with this easily. So this is done. This is our white face. We will find white pieces, so we can replace this white with this blue. There is also white color. Okay, so now we have same situation. There is white, there is orange, so they are opposite to each other. So just bring this side down, twist with this, and now they are in same orbit. So we will carry this white piece and replace with this orange. So white is also complete, so we can select blue. So we will find our blue piece. Okay, so we have two blue piece in this side. So first we will replace these two. So just bring it down, replace like that. We will carry this blue, drop in this side, and also rematch this white because this is our solved portion. Okay, so this is our last blue. We have also same situation, so just bring it down, rotate, and replace with any extra color. So we can replace with this green, and we will rematch our green. Okay, so this orange is done, blue is also done, red, green, yellow, and white. Okay, so that was our first step. We solve these brackets. Now our second step, we will solve these small petal piece. So we can select any one color. For example, if I select white portion, so these are our small white petal piece. So this is our ideal situation. Any color that we need to solve, we will place in our top side, and matching petal we will place in this side. Now we will just apply very simple algorithm. So what we will do, we can place this piece in this side. So just bring it up, swap with this. Now in this position, replace with this, again bring it up, rematch this bracket, and also rematch this piece. So we have fixed one petal. This is our another ideal situation, so we can place this piece easily. So what we will do, bring it up, we will bring it up this right side, match with this, and bring it back. Now we will match from left side, and we will hide this portion, and again from right side we will rematch this white bracket, and again from left side we will also rematch this white portion. So this is also done. Okay, now this white we will fix in this position, then we will swap with this piece. So we can easily fix on this side. So what we will do, bring in this bottom side, and then this bottom side we will rotate, and once again we have created our ideal situation. So again we will apply same pattern. We will fix this small piece in this side. So right side up, match with this and rematch. So left side, match with this and hide this portion. Again right side up and bring it back, and left side up and bring it back. And we can see we have solved our third piece. So this is our last piece. So we will find our white. Okay, so we have same case, we need to place white in this position. So what we will do, bring it down and rotate this side. So we have created our ideal situation. So right side up, twist with this, from left side replace with this. Again right side up and rematch on this portion, and again from left side we will rematch this side, and we have complete one complete portion. Okay, so that was our first color. First three color we will solve same like that. Now we can select any other color, so we can select any one. Okay, so I will select this green. First we will place any green in this side, so we have available this green, so bring it down, rotate this front side, and we have create ideal situation. Okay, so now bring it up this right side, match this piece and bring it back. So there is solid portion, so we will just replace with any extra portion and save this portion in this side. Again rematch from this position and also rematch from this side. So this piece we have fixed. Now we need any green in this side. We have find one green, so there is unsolved portion, there is also unsolved. So we place this piece in this position, so bring it up, place on this position and bring it back. So in this position bring it up, replace with this and bring it back. Again bring it up, rematch this portion on its original position and bring it back. So again bring it up and rematch on this side. So 1 2 3 we have left with this last. Okay, so we will facing in our front side. Okay, so this is our another tricky case. We cannot find place this piece in this position because in this time we have find our last piece in this side. So when we find this situation, we will just replace this piece with any extra color. I mean I can replace with this. So this is our temporary setup. Okay, so we have replaced. Now we will bring it up. So we have created our ideal situation. So there is unsolved portion, there is also unsolved. So right side up, match and bring it back. Left side up, match and bring it back. Again we will rematch this portion on its original side, and also we will undo from this position. And we have also complete second color, but we will must rematch this portion because that was our setup. So we will must place this bracket on its original position. Okay, so 1 2 color we have solved. Now we can select any third color. For example, if I select yellow, so we just rotate, and one yellow we have available in this side, so we know bring it down, rotate this front color, and we have create our ideal setup. So unsolved, this is our solved portion, so we will replace with any unsolved portion. Okay, so now we will apply our pattern. Right side up, match piece, and from this left side we will hide this piece. Again we will rematch this piece, and again we will rematch this piece. So second yellow we have fixed. Now there is another ideal situation. First we will place this piece in this side, so just bring it down, rotate this front side, and we have created our ideal setup. So this is solved portion, place unsolved. This is also solved portion, place unsolved. Okay, so now we will place this piece in this side. So right side up, match on its position. From left side we will apply same pattern. Now we will just undo our setup. So we will undo from right side, we will undo from left side. So this is done. Now we will have left with this last yellow. So again we have same case, we cannot find our yellow in this position and in this position. So when we find in this side, we will replace with any extra portion. So we will create our setup, and now bring it up. So that was our ideal. So unsolved portion there is also unsolved. So we place this piece in this side, so right side up, match with this. Now we will hide this complete portion in this left side, and now we will just undo our setup. And our third color we have also solved, but we will must rematch this portion because we create our setup. So we will rematch blue and orange. Okay, so 1 2 and 3 color we have solved. Now we left with last 3 portion, so we will just apply our same pattern. Okay, so one portion we will place in this side and one we will place in this side. We will bring it back and also bring it back. Okay, so now we will apply our same algorithm. First we will find any possibility. Okay, so we can try from this side, so match with this, match on its position and bring it back. So we will hide this piece in this portion, and same we will undo our setup. So first undo from this side, bring it back, and also undo from this side and bring it back. So one piece we placed on its position. Now we will find any other possibility. So this is our ideal setup. We will place third portion in this side. Okay, so now again we will try from this side, because if we swap from this position, so this piece will fix in this side easily. So just match on this side and rematch on its position. Now we will hide this portion in this side, and we will undo our setup. First we will undo from left side and then we will undo from right side. So this is done. Okay, so now again we have ideal setup. So we will up this right side, match with this, hide this portion on this side like that, undo from this position and also undo from this position. So third petal we have fixed. So this is our fourth petal. First we will find our ideal setup. So we can see we have find this kind of situation. So we will replace this petal with this unsolved portion. Okay, now we will undo our ideal setup. So we need this piece in this side, so just bring it down, rotate this front portion. Okay, now we will place this unsolved portion in this side. Okay, now we will apply same pattern, bring it up, match with this, bring it back, hide from this position, again undo setup from this side and undo from this side. Okay, so this portion we have complete. Now we will rematch our these two color. Okay, so now we have left with only two colors. Now we have left with only two color. So in top we have red color. So first we will create ideal setup. So bring it down, rotate this front side. So we have created our ideal setup. Now in top side we have this blue pattern. So what we will do, we will carry this blue portion and we will place this portion in this side. So how we will carry, we will use this green side like that, match with this, replace with this and bring it back. Now we will apply our setup. So right side up, rotate from this side, undo from this side and also undo from this side. And now we will rematch these two portions. So very easily, just bring it on this side, replace with this and bring it back. So now we have solved one petal. Okay, so we will create our ideal setup. So how we will create, we bring this piece in this portion. So two times we will apply down down, up up, again down down, up up, and we can see we have created our ideal setup. So in top we have blue pattern. So again we will carry this blue portion in this side. So again we will apply same procedure. This portion we will replace with this. So just bring it close, replace with these two, bring it back and bring it back. So we have created our ideal setup. Just bring it up, match this petal, bring it back, bring it up, hide this petal, bring it back, again bring it up, match this petal and bring it back. So we can see this remains same and replace with this. Okay, now we will again replace these two portions. So just match, replace and undo the setup. And now we have left with only last two petal. So first we will create our ideal setup. So we just rotate like that. We can easily fix this piece on this side. So very easy, bring it down and rotate this side. And we have created our ideal setup. So in top we have this red petal. So we will use this red portion. So again place this complete portion in this side. So just match these two, replace to each other and bring it on its ideal side. We have created our ideal setup and we will apply our pattern. So up, match with this, bring it back, replace with this. Again, now we can see this is our extra petal. When we match with this and we will swap, so we can see this remains same. And again replace with this. And every petal we can see we have solved. We just rematch these two colors. So just match like that and swipe to each other. And we can see every portion we have solved properly. Now we just solve our this simple cube. So we just match for white corner. We match this corner, so there is red. This is our white and red. We will rotate and fix on its original side. So the next color white and green. So this is white and green. We will rotate, fix on this side, rematch, again rotate and fix on this side and rematch this piece. So this is done. This is our last piece. So bring it up, rotate one time and place on this position and rematch this piece. Again bring it up, rotate this piece and bring on its original position. So we have complete white. So hold like that. So in top red, so we will place red edge and apply down down, up up. So there is yellow. We will replace with any extra color. Down down, up up. There is green. So place green edge piece, sorry, corner piece. Down down, up up. There is orange. So these are orange. So just apply down down, up up. There is red. down, down, up, up. So we have solved our front portion. Now we just solve this top side. So very easy. We find this kind of situation. So we will just apply down, down, up, up one time. Again we will apply down, down, up, up. So again down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. We have created this situation. We will just find our this yellow pair. So place this pair in this side and just apply down, down, up, up, and our cube will be solved. Down, down, up, up, and we can see we have solved our cube.